Hey everybody, welcome back to Das Lab. You know I got a new 3D printer for the shop here, and I just built some drying desiccant things there for the AMS thing. I've got all these other spools of filament, and of course, I don't know if you know anything about 3D printing, but they're supposed to be kept dry. So, you know, I got a bin here with some silica gel and stuff in it, but what am I going to do with all those once I open them up? So I ended up buying on the Amazonian a big printer enclosure, filament enclosure. So that's what I'm going to be building today, and we'll see if we can not see what that looks like. I'll get you set up in the stand here, and we'll start building this thing. Okay, well this is what it's supposed to kind of look like when we're done. It's kind of see-through-ish, sort of. So we'll probably have to use the manual, I guess. It's like putting up a tent. Bunch of poles. And it's not quite like Lego. Man, maybe it isn't Lego. Yeah, they're labeled. Okay, I'll start putting this together and I'll bring you back in when something interesting happens. Okay, well, it had me build this frame that, of course, going together, it seemed really wonky, but now that it's together, it's probably strong enough for what it's got to do. And then it says to put that into this plastic bag. And I'll try doing that. I'm gonna have to move you back here. Okay, the plastic is on. It's a little bit like trying to put a ship in a bottle. I think you're supposed to build the ship inside the bottle, but this time we put the bottle around the ship that was already built. I got some of these. I bought like an 8-pack for my AMS unit, so I'm gonna throw a couple of these in there. And it came with a bunch of packs of desiccant, so I will load those in there as well. And then it basically zips up like a big camper van. Would I, is it 100%, you know, airtight? Probably not. Is it going to prevent moisture from going around? You know, it's a barrier, right? It's a barrier. And I'm hoping that it'll fit right down. Can you see where I'm pointing? Right down there. Okay, in that area right there. And then I got all my material in one spot. So I'm going to just clear that out and see if it fits in there. I'm not going to open up all those boxes because they're probably the best sealed they possibly could be from the factory. But we'll just see if it fits in. Okay, so I lied. I did take them out of the cardboard boxes and just put them in there. I didn't take them out of the plastic yet. Got my hygrometers down there and some extra desiccant packs. It holds 20 spools. I think that's pretty good. I'm not running a print farm or anything like that. This little stand, I was driving around, I got the printer and I had it here for about 4 or 5 days, and I was trying to figure out where in the Das Lab am I going to put this printer. And on the side of the road was this beautiful stand. And it had a couple doors on it. I ripped them off, and there's my printer stand. So, okay, that's all I got for you this time on Das Lab. No strings attached. And have fun. Be safe. Don't get any on you. See you next time.